Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate inventory and the stock alerts. So you'll learn how to automatically monitor your e-commerce inventory and get alerts when stock is low. This workflow helps businesses prevent stockouts, manage reorder processes efficiently and improve sales. By automating inventory tracking and alerting, you can save time, reduce error, and potentially generate $7,500 amount by offering this as a service or using it for your own store. So what you learn in this workflow: to monitor product inventory in database or e-commerce platform, to send low stock alerts via email to inventory manager, to notify your team via Slack for urgent action, to automatically flag items for reorder and reduce lost sales and improve the fulfillment. So let's start the workflow. First, we have a cron node. This will run automatically at a set interval. For example, daily hour, you can choose here every day, every hour, depends how you want. Okay, after that you have a database node to get the product stack that will have here queries. This will queries your product table to check currently inventory levels. After that, you have a function node that will filter the product where quantity is less than reorder threshold. So you have this function return items where items point quantity is less than reorder threshold. Okay, let's continue. After that, we will send a Gmail with we'll send an email to inventory manager listing all the low stocks items. Resource draft, operation create, subject low stock alert, and on the message we can put this: the following items are low in stock and product list. So this is the message that will be sent on the Gmail. Okay. And finally, you have the Slack notification that will send instant alert in the Slack channel. So you have operation post and the channel inventory. Okay, here we'll have the text low stock alert items that will have the product list. Items will map this JSON map item product name plus quantity plus item quantity and join, and the action please reorder ASAP. So this is the workflow, guys. I will post also the JSON file for all you to have the template of this video. So see you in the next video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe also. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.